all the EPP, we are together with our good friend and former Prime Minister of your great country of Slovenia, Janez Janša.
What we're seeing in Slovenia goes beyond what we've seen in Hungary, because actually the Prime Minister himself is under attack by so-called legal means.
How do you want the friends of Slovenia to think abroad, in the other member parties of the European Union, when you see that 22 years later, the husband of the secret agency of the communist regime that has arrested in 1988 Janez Janša, its wife, 22 years later, she arrests Janez Janša, if not for a revenge.
When reading the English translation of the judgment of the Patria case, I found the allegations against the president of the SDS, Janez Janša, completely absurd.
No one is blamed or criticized or guilty by unknown reasons at unknown places with unknown partners for unknown payments.
Daher sollte keine Regierung, unabhängig von Land- und Parteizugehörigkeit, versuchen, Einfluss auf Richter in ihrer Entscheidungsfindung auszuüben, etwa politische Opposition einzuschüchtern.
Mr. Janez Janša is the proof that the socialists are not following the democracy rules.
We cannot allow the socialists, the former communists, to go against basic democratic principles and the rule of law.
The communist states were transferred into the democratic world, that actually the nomenclatura didn't disappear.
The show organized by the governing coalition last July in this big gathering with the Prime Minister and the President of the Republic and the Mayor of Ljubljana in the first row is really something to be seen. This praise of the totalitarianism, this praise of communism, these images of Che Guevara, these attacks to what they call imperialism and capitalism, and also the very extreme anti-European tone of the concert, where a singer says that Europe, the European Union, is a gang of robbers and that we are gangsters, and the Prime Minister clapping these insults to the European Union. This is something that, frankly, it's incredible.
We are worried too that the name of former Yugoslavian dictator Tito has been reintroduced into Ljubljana when still hundreds of victims and hidden mass graves have been exposed in Slovenia.
The lustration law will allow us to break up once and forever with the rest of the communist time and the dependence and the network of former communist secret police like UDBA, like Državna Sigurnost in Bulgaria and others.
And they will use all kinds of methods, fair means and foul, and what we're seeing is, I think, an increase in the foul means.
Sorry friends, this is too much.